In this video, I will show you how to make Snapchat post or content to go viral without any stress. Let me show you how. Open up your Snapchat app. Open up your Snapchat app. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on Spotlight. Reach million of Snapchat. Here, you can post picture or video as the case may be. The next thing you want to do is to select a particular video or picture that you want to post from your phone camera roll. I'm going to select this, then click on Next. Then here you can click on here and remove the music watermark from your post. So I'm going to simply click on here to remove the watermark from my post and click on OK. Then go ahead and click on OK. Now the watermark has been removed. Then you can click on here to add text as the case may be. So you can go ahead and click on the sound icon right here to change to a viral sound. So at this point here, you can go ahead and slide this way, continue to slide this way, click on trending. So you can choose any of the trending song right here. Then hit on done. Now successfully change. Now how can we remove the sound watermark? This particular sound watermark right here. Go ahead and click on it. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on here. Just like so. Then go ahead and click on this check mark. Now you are done. We have a new music into the video. You can also slide to the top right here and use different features as far as this is concerned. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Next. So here we go. Now at this point here, add your description. Then go ahead and add your hashtag. You can add as many as possible hashtag. Then go ahead and hit on done. And the next thing you want to do, is to go ahead and click on Post to Spotlight. And you are done. It's that simple. With that, your post will go viral. You get more views, more followers, and more engagement into your Snapchat account. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.